Hey everyone, welcome back to The Mind Detective. Today we're ditching the drama and diving deep into the world of irresistible good guys. Let's face it, the bad boy trope is overplayed. You know the type. Mysterious, aloof, a walking red flag. But what if I told you there's a way to be undeniably attractive without the drama? That's right, gentlemen. It's time to unleash your inner good guy and watch the magic happen. So grab a seat, because we're about to reveal 5 powerful secrets that will have you attracting amazing women in no time. Secret hash 1. Confidence is king. Confidence is the foundation of attraction. It's not about arrogance, but about believing in yourself and your worth. Here's the key. Confidence isn't something you just have, it's something you cultivate. Start by focusing on your strengths and accomplishments. Celebrate your victories, big and small. Take on challenges that push you outside your comfort zone. Every time you overcome a hurdle, your confidence grows. Now, this doesn't mean walking around with a puffed-up chest. True confidence comes from a place of inner security. Stand tall with relaxed shoulders, maintain eye contact, and speak clearly. It's amazing how simply improving your posture can project confidence. Believe it or not, confidence is contagious. When you project self-assurance, others pick up on that vibe and find you instantly more attractive. Secret hash 2. Embrace the mystery. A little mystery goes a long way. You don't have to be an open book. Let your personality unfold gradually, like a captivating story. Share your passions and interests, but keep some intriguing details to yourself. This sparks curiosity and keeps her wanting to know more. Think about it this way. If you reveal everything about yourself on the first date, there's no reason for her to stick around for the next chapter. Instead, tease her with glimpses of your hobbies, your dreams, or your unique experiences. Let the conversation flow naturally, and don't feel the need to divulge every detail all at once. Don't forget about the power of social media. In today's digital age, it's tempting to curate a perfectly crafted online persona. But here's the thing. A little mystery goes a long way, even online. Consider dialing back on the oversharing and let your real-life interactions do the talking. The goal isn't to ghost or play hard to get. It's about leaving a trail of breadcrumbs for her to follow and discover the awesome person you are. Mystery isn't about being cryptic or distant. It's about adding a sprinkle of intrigue to keep things exciting. Embrace your inner enigma and watch as sparks fly. Secret hash 3. Independence is attractive. Being your own man is incredibly attractive. This means emotional and financial independence. Enjoy your own company, have your own interests, and be responsible. Don't be afraid to voice your opinions and make decisions. A woman wants a partner, not someone who needs constant validation. Emotional independence is all about being comfortable in your own skin. You don't need someone else to complete you. You can be happy and fulfilled on your own. This doesn't mean you don't want a relationship, it just means you're not desperate for one. It shows you're secure and have a strong sense of self. Financial independence doesn't mean you need to be rolling in dough. It's more about being responsible with your money and standing on your own 2 feet financially. It shows you can handle your own business and don't rely on others to take care of you. Finally, being independent also means having the guts to voice your opinions and not just following the crowd. Respectfully sharing your thoughts shows strength and confidence. But here's the thing. Independence isn't about shutting people out. It's about being your own rock while still being open to connections and experiences. It's like having your own superpower that makes you irresistible because you're a complete package all on your own. So embrace your independence and watch how it adds an extra dash of attractiveness to your vibe. Secret hash 4. Adventure awaits. You might think adventure is all about extreme sports and living life on the edge. But guess what? You can be adventurous in your own unique way without going to extremes. Here's the key. Adventure isn't just about the destination. It's about the journey itself. First off, adventure isn't limited to skydiving or bungee jumping. It's about stepping outside your comfort zone and being open to new experiences. Maybe it's trying a new cuisine, learning a new language, or taking a dance class. It could be anything that ignites your curiosity and sparks a sense of excitement. Adventure is also about saying yes to the unknown and welcoming it with open arms. Be spontaneous. Some of the best memories are made when we least expect them. Why not be open to impromptu road trips, last-minute events, or simply exploring your own neighborhood without a set plan? Embrace the unexpected, and you'll find yourself on thrilling adventures you never imagined. But adventure isn't just about seeking thrills, it's also about facing challenges head-on. Don't shy away from difficulties. See them as opportunities for growth. That mindset of resilience and positivity is seriously attractive. It shows that you're not afraid to tackle whatever life throws your way. Remember, adventure is all around us, even in the little things. It's about finding joy in everyday moments like watching a beautiful sunrise, getting lost in a good book, or having a heart-to-heart conversation with someone you care about. It's about being fully present and appreciating the simple pleasures of life. Don't keep your adventures to yourself. Share your stories with others. Whether it's recounting a funny anecdote from a trip or inviting someone to join you on a new adventure, sharing experiences creates bonds and shows that you're someone who loves to make the most out of life. Embrace adventure, step out of your comfort zone, and let the sparks fly. Secret #5, assertiveness is key. So let's dive into the fifth and final secret, assertiveness. Now, some might think this means being all aggressive and dominant, but hold on. It's not quite like that. Assertiveness is about expressing yourself clearly and respectfully, making sure your needs are heard without steamrolling over others. It's about clear communication. You've got to be able to say what's on your mind without holding back. This includes setting boundaries and being able to say no when you need to. Trust me, respecting your own time and commitments will earn you some serious respect from others. However, assertiveness isn't about always getting your way. It's more about finding common ground where everyone feels like their voice matters. Think of it as a bit of give and take, a little negotiation here and there. Assertiveness also means taking charge sometimes. Don't just sit back and wait for someone else to make the decisions. If you've got an idea, speak up. Taking the lead in a polite way is a real attention grabber. Remember, it's all about balance. You want to be confident in expressing yourself, but you also need to be mindful of others. Finding that balance is not just attractive. It's key to building solid relationships, especially with the ladies. So there you have it, folks. 5 secrets that can turn any good guy into a bit of an irresistible good guy, in a good way, of course. Don't go changing who you are. Just take these tips, add them to your arsenal, and watch the magic happen. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on any of our awesome content. Until next time, stay safe, stay curious, and stay mindful.